Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are having a great day. So today I'm going to review a product to you all, Streaks Ultra Highlighting Kit. Enriched with walnut oil and argan oil. I have used this before on my hair and this gives the best result if you are going for first time or for highlighting. If you are trying, just go for this. This is the best product I have used when I was trying for highlighting my hair. First I started with this, and this is long lasting color. I have experienced this for long lasting for about 1 month to 1.5 months. Improves shine and smoothness, and the product MRP is for about 150. You can see you can read all the instructions here how to use, and it shows hair fabulous permanent soft highlights that are perfect with existing hair color. You can then see here the color shade chart. This is usually I prefer to go with this, because when I was starting in when first time I was using this product, I went for the color shade chart, and usually I buy the shade number 1. The shade number 2 is a bit darker than this, I have experienced. So I usually go for, if you want light highlights on your hair, make sure you go for shade number 1. Then useful tips, please make sure you read all the useful tips written here, and instructions you can read here. Everything while using, make sure you wear gloves, and do not put the scalp do not use this product if your scalp has sore or has cuts or anything else. Do not store this after, just if you're using this, if you have opened this and if you have mixed this powder and the thing, if you just use it, just don't keep it for much time. And it is written that I have to keep this on my hair for about 30 minutes. I usually keep this for about 40 to 45 minutes for the best results. You can also keep this for about 40 to 45 minutes on your hair. Then how to use, you can just read here and mix it. Then next is, let us open this and let me show you what's in this. So let us open this. So first of all, as soon as you open this box, you will be seeing a box container like this, and it will be containing all the products whichever you have to use on your hair. Then you will be getting this leaflet, whatever instruction leaflet, just go through this once. And in Hindi also it's written, so you can just go through this. And next you have conditioner sachets. You will get conditioner sachets with this. 5 ml of ultra shining conditioner enriched with argan oil and walnut oil. And then next you will get the blonde powder here, which you have to mix with the developer. Just you have to mix this both in this container. First put the developer, then put the blonde powder. Full empty this and empty this. You will get for this bottle 1/4 of the bottle. You will not get the full bottle, you will get the 1/4 bottle of this product. Then you will get the gloves, which is one of the most important thing in this. You have to wear gloves while you are using this. Then you will get the mixer. Just mix it with this. As you can see, the mixer, you just brush kind of. This has good, it's very good, and you will get all this product. And this video is not sponsored by Streaks or any other company. so you will get this all products. If you are interested in watching how do I keep this on my hair, or how do I apply it on my hair, or any other video or any other review if you want to see, please make sure you write down in the comment section. I'll make sure I reply to you all, and please make sure you subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon below so that you can be notified for more updates. Then I have been uploading since a long time, but it's been long time I have uploaded a video on my YouTube channel on regarding especially my nails. Some of my subscribers just started following me, and they have told me that I have good nails. Yes, so if you are interested in watching how do I grow my nails or how do I maintain my nails, please make sure you subscribe to my channel if you are new here. And if you have any questions, make sure you drop it down in the comment section below. I'll make sure I reply to you all. So this was the Streak Ultra Highlighting Kit, which I have got for about 150 rupees. You can get this in any nearby store or supermarket. It's very affordable and you can just buy it anywhere. Cautions and warnings you have to read before use, and please avoid contact with eyes. Make sure you don't keep this on your eyebrows. Just don't take it to your eyebrows, and safety instructions are also given, so please make sure you read that all things. And this was the product review. I hope you all enjoyed watching my video. Please make sure you subscribe to my channel if you are new, and you're welcome to my channel. And please like and share, subscribe. I'll see you with my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.